Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, Uma Khumalo Uthobile got a nominee, you guys, for Women in Construction. She put up the status, shared the status on Instagram. It says, I am a 2024 Woman in Construction nominee. And she said, guess who is nominated for Woman in Construction? Me. Thank you so much. And then she tags the organization for this recognition. Now, when I saw this, I'm just like, well, kushukuthi guys, Makhumalo is a rich. This woman is in construction, you guys. Like, what doesn't Makhumalo, or what doesn't Uthobile do, guys? I was just so surprised because I'm just like, this woman is in construction as well. Well, kusho ukuthi umfazi kamseleko, guys, uyasebenza, and kusho ukuthi this money that we see, like, it's more than we actually think it is. Guys, do you know how much money there is in construction? I mean, this woman is in radio, something like that. I don't even know if she still does radio, but she's into your radio, you're presenting, izinto ezinjalo, you're hosting type of events. She's into your production, TV production, ton. Now she's also into construction, guys. Hi, boy, this woman is working. Usho ukuthi guys uhlezi phezu kwemali. But anyway, we just want to say congratulations, Makhumalo, for getting a nominee, for being recognized as a woman in construction. It's a beautiful thing when people notice and recognize your hard work. And all we can say is that we wish you all the best, Mama. You are hardworking. One of the most hardworking people, guys, that I've come against. I don't even know her personally like that, but one of the most hardworking people I've seen when it comes to people who are famous like this. She's not living on her husband's money. I want to believe so. But listen, she is hardworking. Anyway, guys, send your congratulation messages. Yeah, please tell me what you think about this. Please do like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.